Hello and welcome to Navarre's Police Videos. I am Navarre, and there's been a couple comments in the comment section lately of my channel saying, hey, you know what, you're just showing stolen videos from other police channels. And, you know, I hate to defend myself, but I've got to really defend myself because I want you guys to see something. I want you to see my files and how I get them. So let's start here. We'll go to, this is one of my main file folders for videos that I have done, videos I have processed out, different ones I've added, even my end screen, my intro, my outro too. I wouldn't say end screen, but intro and outro too. Well then, I want you to come right here and look at this folder right here. It says police videos. Now, if you can notice in this video where it says Arkansas police videos, you will notice all the months that I have videos for. Okay, now I'm slowly getting them. I'm slowly getting them more and more as they come in from Arkansas. But let's just take a look here. Let's look at February of 2023. Let's see. Wow, look at all those videos that are sent straight from Arkansas. Let's look in the file, okay? So we got Jorge Ezagara. I'm not good with last name. I'm not good with pronouncing names, so let's check this one out. So our first folder is we got a stream 0. Now, in this stream 0, we have different files. We have, this is our main dash cam. Click that real quick. You'll see that's our main dash cam. Oh, but wait. Did y'all see that on the screen? Did you see all that ugly writing on the screen? That was awful, wasn't it? Well, let's see. Right here, this file right here, Arkansas provides us with a overlay file. Now, this overlay file is what gives us all our information that we want on the screen. So let's open the video back up, and we'll pause the video. Come down here, let's pause the video. Go up here to subtitle, hit add subtitle file, and there's a substation alpha file, which is our subtitle track file. So we'll hit play now, and let's see. Oh, wow, look at that. See how pretty that is? We have our date, we have our time, we have our coordinates, we have our speed, we have Arkansas State Police, we have the trooper's name, and we have his unit number. Wait a minute. If I was stealing police videos from other channels, I wouldn't have that, would I? Okay, so let's go back now. Let's look at this folder again. What else do we got in here? Oh, let's see. We got a stream 0. That is the thumbnails that Arkansas provides with their videos. Do I really want to use those? No, because most of the time they're not even of something that is particular or even relevant that I want to use. So I will use my own thumbnails, and I will add my own comments to the thumbnails. But here, let's make sure that we can prove that we got these straight from Arkansas. Okay, so let's open up HTML file. And let's bring that over here. Well, let's see. If these files were stolen off of somebody else's web channel, do you think I would have the information with the IP addresses and usernames and email addresses of people that have uploaded or downloaded this video onto the Arkansas State Police servers? No. I wouldn't have that if I was stealing from other people. So let's go to another one. Let's check another. Oh, yeah, by the way, let's get to the second file. We forgot about that one. Stream 2. Stream 2, what do we got? Okay, let's see. We got the thumbnail again. As we can see, that's going to be a backseat camera. Let's check out the video. Well, there's our backseat camera running, but wait a minute, we got this big, ugly thing that Arkansas puts up here in the middle of the screen. So hold on, let's pause the video, and we'll go back up here to subtitle, add subtitle track, do that one, blah. And now look, we have our normal overlay. We have our date, we have our time, we have our coordinates, we have our speed, we have our mic, brakes, light, siren. Arkansas State Police, is it Jorge or is it George? I don't remember how people actually pronounce it, but and then we got the trooper's unit number down here at the bottom. Okay, well, let's see. That's just one video. Let's take a look at another one. So let's go back to the main folder here. So we have all these videos here that we can use from Arkansas. Now let's go to, somebody posted, they were just said, oh man, you're reusing July videos off of somebody else's YouTube channel. Okay, so let's go in here to this file, Arkansas State Police, July 2003. Oh, and look at that. Look at all the state troopers that Arkansas has provided of their videos. So let's pick this one. Let's see. Let's look at Billy Martin. Everybody likes Billy. We all like Billy Martin. So let's look at Billy Martin. Okay, so we have two files in here, Stream 0 and Stream 2. So in Stream 0 is our main file. We have our Billy Martin dash cam video. All right, so let's pause that. We'll add the subtitle track to that video. And then as we play, you see now we have the date, we have the time, coordinates, speed, our lights and mics and brakes. And again, we have Arkansas State Police Billy Martin with his unit number. So, as I have kindly explained to people in the past, I don't steal my videos from other channels. I have no reason to. I really have no reason to steal them from other channels. I get all my videos from Arkansas. You know, it's called a FOIA, Freedom of Information Act. You know, anybody can get them. Anybody can get them. So let's go back and let's see, that's July. Okay, so what are we? We're in November, so let's go to October. So October, Arkansas videos. Well, look at this. This is what Arkansas provides. They have all these videos from all the different troopers that they provide for you. Let's see. Well, there's James Bird. That's not Jacob, but and we got Jeb Little. Okay, everybody likes Jeb Little. I even seen a recent video somebody posted that was by Jeb Little. So let's see. We'll go to this, add subtitle track, subtitles. And you'll notice we hit play. There's all our subtitles. And again, we have our thumbnail provided by Arkansas, which, I mean, this was not bad. That not too bad thumbnail this time. And let's see, we got, we'll go up and we got our Stream 2, which is our backseat cameras. And let's see, we have the overlay, the subtitle track for that. Let's add the overlay to that. And there we go. We got all of our information. So, unfortunately, I would have to say, haters will be haters. Real followers, real subs will follow along. We have October. We have September. And there, you can look, there's even, that's a zip file. There's the even standard zip file that I get. So, I don't understand. But anyway, there you go. That's how we do it. We get our videos straight from Arkansas. We get our files straight from Arkansas. Then we edit them together. We put the overlays on. We add the dash cam when, the backseat camera. When there's something that's interesting happening in the backseat, we'll add a backseat camera to it. But hey, I just want to let everybody know. And this is for everybody out there in YouTube land. You do not have to steal content from other content channels. You can get it yourself. There is a Freedom of Information Act. So I just wanted to share that with you. Just want to let everybody know what was going on. So maybe this will even help me cover with YouTube as we get closer to being a monetized channel. We're up to over 200 plus subscribers now. So we'll see you guys tonight at 8 o'clock. Remember, it's Saturday night, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Tongue-tied there for a minute. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is also like 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you guys give us a shout, give us a follow, and we will see you next time.